Right when I'm about to film, I get the hiccups. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shelby, and I make special effects. Oh my gosh, I still have the hiccups. I make special effects I make special effects makeup videos and vlogs and a bunch of really fun stuff. Oh my god. I'm so sorry I have the hiccups. This is such bad timing. Wow. Anyways, so today I'm going to be turning myself into Coraline. I was Coraline for Halloween like 2 Halloweens ago, I think. And it was a pretty last minute thing, but this year I made myself a little tiny button up, and I made it by sculpting a button out of clay and then going over it with liquid latex and then just peeling it off. Oh my gosh, why am I still hiccuping? So I took some clay, I sculpted a button eye, and then I just did several layers of latex on top of the clay. I let it dry and peeled it off, and I have this cute little button eye. I already did eyeshadow on one of my eyes, and I just did this really pretty yellow and blue and gold eyeshadow look. I can't stop hiccuping. So I'm just going to go on ahead and attach this bad boy to my eye. So I'm just going to be taking some liquid latex around my eye and attaching this. And on the back of it, I've already put a little tiny bit of cotton just to help it adhere to my face. So I'm just holding it up and figuring out where it's going to sit on my eye. And then I'm grabbing my Vaseline. I'm going to be taking a little tiny bit on my finger and just covering my eyebrow where the liquid latex is going to be. So now I'm just putting some liquid latex on top of the cotton that I have already on the back of this fake button I made. And I like this method of using this button that I've made because I don't have to build up a bunch of cotton balls around it to keep it in place. It just kind of sits right there, and I can also open my eye underneath, and I've made these little tiny holes, the button holes, so that I can even see out of it. So you could even wear this prosthetic to a party or out when as a Halloween costume or for a costume party, and you'll still be able to see with both eyes. And you won't feel too disoriented, but it is still kind of weird feeling to have this on your face. But next, I'm just going to be taking a little tiny brush and some black eyeshadow and going into the holes where I can see my eyelid and skin still, because you just don't want any of that peeking through. And now before I add fake blood, Coraline also has all of these little tiny cute freckles on her cheeks, so I'm just going to be adding those. But I'm just patting down on the freckles that I've made to make them look a little bit more natural. I mean, I'm not really going for a hella natural look here, but I just used the e.l.f. eyebrow palette and used the cream-based color to create all these freckles. And now I'm going to be giving Coraline a nice rosy glow, and I'm going to be going in with a blush on the apples of my cheeks. So now I just have this sweet rosy glow, and I'm going to be going in with my scab blood now. So I'm just using my scab blood, and I'm going to be putting this on in the little tiny button holes that I've made. And now I'm just going to be taking some of my liquid stage blood, and I'm going to be using that to create a more drippy effect instead of just some condensed blood. So now I have all of the fake blood on there. Looks real nice. And this is the finished look. This is a super easy freaking Halloween tutorial. If you are dressing up as Coraline, I really recommend this method of creating the button eye because I can see still. It's easier to apply. You don't have to build up a bunch of cotton balls and latex around it to help it keep in place because it's pretty sturdy as it is. And if you wanted an even sturdier look, you could use spirit gum. This is just a super easy Coraline look. And once again, how I made the button eye, I took some clay, sculpted a button the size I would like it to be, punched the holes for the little tiny button string holes, and then I took that clay, covered it in liquid latex, several different layers, and then I let it dry overnight, and I took some powder, applied that to the latex, and peeled it off. And I got this nice button. And this way I can see through it, it's not hard and uncomfortable on my skin. And now last but not least, I need to put on my Coraline wig. So I cut my wig to have some bangs because I kind of wanted to do like a teenage Coraline look. I think that'd be a really fun Halloween costume. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and comment down below other video ideas you have for me to try and recreate or turn myself into. And then if you want to see more of me, then hit subscribe. I'd love to have you around. But until next time, guys, peace out, my dudes.